Hey guys, Kyle from Legendex. Today we got Tiers Hilux in to fit our brand new universal tub rack. Here at Legendex we do two different styles of tub racks. We do one for the hard tonneau covers and we do another one for the soft tonneau covers. So come with me in the workshop and I'll show you the difference. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to take you through what comes in the kit. Firstly is our mounting brackets. So this is for your soft tonneau where it's got the little lip, obviously mounts like that. If you've got a hard lid, we have the top one that mounts up on the top in your cross rail. Then we have 4 legs, and lastly, the 2 cross rails. All right, so there's a couple of ways that you can mount these. You can either put them on the side and utilize a rib nut. I use an M8, or you can just drill a hole through and put a nut and bolt. All right, so for this tub rack, I'm using the rib nut. So what we're gonna do is place our bracket where you want it, and then we're going to drill a pilot hole and then obviously a bigger hole to fit the rib nut. All right, so we're going to mount the bracket there. We've got it where we need it. Other side. All right, so I've made a mark. Okay, so we've got our pilot holes marked. We're now going to use an 11mm because we're using an M8 rib nut, and we're going to drill these holes out. Okay, so just grab your deburring tool and make sure you deburr the holes and then put a protective coating over the bare metal. Okay, so now we're putting the rib nut in. Okay, next we're going to put the bracket in. Super simple stuff. Okay, next step, we're going to put our leg onto the bracket. So now we're going to go around and repeat the process on all 4 corners. All right, so now we're going to throw the cross beam over the legs. There we go. So we're just bolting up the legs to the cross beam now. So just whack them in. There's only one way they can go in. Nice and easy. Okay, so I've got 4 bolts on either side. Now I'm going to do them up and she'll come tight. Wrong way. So now that we've got the crossbeam on, we're just going to go around and tighten up all our bottom bolts. Alright guys, so now that's the basic tub rack complete. You can also buy accessories for these. We have set the distance up, so later on down the track, we can add some side panels on where you can put your tread boards or your shovel, high lift jack. You can put cross beams across the top, up on here as well. So you can also mount them up the top, whatever you want to do. Thanks for watching guys. All our products are available on legendex.com.au. Get one.